Rudresh, we discussed yesterday oxidation numbers. I given one homework. Have you completed that?
Yes.
No. All of you show your homework once. Only one person. Krish. Shahad. Plus 6. What about nitrogen compounds? I given nitrogen compounds na Apurva. Good morning, Tanmay. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Say answers, Apurva. For
Sir.
NO, what is the nitrogen oxidation state? NO. NO is there na?
+2.
Very good. Next. Amruta N. What is the N2O3 oxidation state? Nitrogen. +3 na. N2O3, N2O5. These I ask na students. Please respond.
Sir, N2O5 I have asked.
N2O5. What is the +5? N2O5 +5 oxidation state.
Yes, sir. Plus
5.
Okay. So N2O did not ask it.
Yes, sir.
+1 na.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
+1 is the oxidation state. Okay, good. Today we will discuss modern definitions of oxidation and reduction regarding these oxidation numbers. Okay, are you ready? Now, please observe. Yes, please observe. You have to understand this concept. Very simple, but some students may confuse. I don't know why they are confusing. So you should not repeat that. Consider a reaction between zinc and copper ions. Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn plus 2 plus Cu. Okay, Nama? Here, what is the zinc oxidation state?
0.
See, this much time we are taking. What is the zinc oxidation state?
0. 0.
0. Zinc oxidation state is 0. Okay, na? Here, what is the oxidation state of Cu2 plus? Plus 2. Why? Because this is a simple ion. For simple ions, what is the oxidation state? It is equals to its charge. Plus 2 is the oxidation state. Clear, ma? Next, this is plus 2 oxidation state.
+2.
This is
0.
0. Okay. Now you please link up copper ion with the copper. That means the same elements we have to link up like this, and this is like this. Okay. Here, listen, students, don't confuse. 0 to +2. So if you have doubt, you please remember like this: 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like that. -1 -2 -3 -4 like this. 0 to +2 means like this, na? Value is increases or decreases?
Increases, sir.
Increases.
0 to +2 means value is increases. So increasing in oxidation number is also called oxidation. Students, according to modern definitions, loss of electrons are increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. Here, this process is called oxidation. This process is called oxidation. Why? Because 0 to +2, oxidation number is increases. Oxidation number is increases means it is oxidation. Here, +2 to 0. +2 to 0 means what, ma? Value
Decreases.
value
Decreases.
decreases. That is, the oxidation number is decreases. So that's why it is called reduction. Like this, you have to identify what is oxidation, what is reduction. Increasing in oxidation number or loss of electron. So in loss of electrons, 0 to +2 means loss of 2 electrons. So that's why it is the
Bit,
oxidation
sir.
process.
Once again, sir.
Gain of
So can you tell once again, sir? I just joined now. Because of internet issues.
gain of 2 electrons is called reduction. Okay, now I repeat. So this is a one reaction. For this reaction, we have to write oxidation numbers. Oxidation numbers first. What is the zinc oxidation number? 0. Why? Because it is an uncombined state. What is the oxidation number of Cu2 plus? +2 is the oxidation state. Why? Because it is a simple ion. For simple ion, the oxidation state is equals to its charge. Similarly, for Zn +2 is the oxidation state. For copper, 0 is the oxidation state. Now, we have to link up same type of elements. Zinc with zinc, copper with copper. Okay? 0 to +2. Zinc oxidation number is changed from 0 to +2. 0 to +2 means oxidation number is increases na. 0 to +2 means oxidation number is increases. Increasing in oxidation number is also known as what? Oxidation. So +2 to 0, here copper oxidation number is changing. So that's why +2 to 0 means decreasing in oxidation number. Decreasing in oxidation number is called what? Reduction. So that's why this is oxidation, this is reduction according to oxidation number concept. Clear? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No. Now come to two more important definitions. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. Another one is reducing agent or reductant. So this is important. Oxidizing agent or oxidant or reducing agent or reductant. What is oxidizing agent? This you should not forget and you should not confuse. Oxidation, oxidizing agent, lot of difference. Reduction, reducing agent, lot of difference. Don't confuse. Oxidizing agent means substance which gains electrons is called oxidizing agent. What is the another name of oxidizing agent? Oxidant. What is another name of oxidizing agent? Oxidant. Substance which gains electrons is called oxidizing agent. Substance which loses electrons is called reducing agent. Reducing agent. Say for example, in this irreversible reaction, it is not reversible, irreversible. Andre, it takes place in single direction. Here, zinc is changed from 0 to +2. Andre, it is losing electrons or gaining electrons, children?
Losing, sir.
Gaining it.
Losing.
Gaining.
Gain.
0 to +2 means electrons gaining. Number is gaining, not electrons. When you will write +2? Generally?
When electron losses.
Loss and
Then Zn is losing electrons now here. See, you are telling mistake. So that's why I am telling oxidation or oxidizing agent, reduction or reducing agent, different. Okay? Zn 0 to +2 andre idu 2 electrons loss. So which losses electrons is called what? Reducing agent or oxidizing agent?
Using agent.
Here in this reaction,
reducing
zinc will act as a reducing agent. Artha aita? Next, what about Cu2 plus? Cu2 plus is converted into Cu. Cu2 plus is converted into Cu. Cu2 plus is
Oxidizing.
converted into Cu means we are added 2 electrons.
Yes,
Andre,
Yes, sir.
Cu2 plus, you have Cu2 plus. Students, don't confuse. You have Cu2 plus. For that, if you add one electron, what you will get? Cu plus you will get, or Cu plus 3 you will get. Cu plus 2 ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ one electron add ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cu plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Cu plus
Cu
3
plus 3.
Cu
Cu plus 3.
CU plus.
Plus 3.
Cu plus 3.
Cu plus.
CU plus.
Cu plus. Cu plus. Cu plus.
That's why I am saying don't confuse. ಇದು already plus 2 charges ಇದೆ. Actually, how it formed? It formed
By losing 2 electrons.
by loss of 2 electrons. It is formed. I am supplying 1 electron for that. I am supplying 1 electron that. You have 2 rupees deficient. I added 1 electron. I added 1 rupee to you. You are deficient of 3 rupees, or you are gaining of 1 rupee.
Gaining of 1 rupee.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ Cu plus 2 ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Cu plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ Cu plus 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ Cu plus ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Cu.
Cu.
ಇವಾಗ Cu plus 2 ನಿಂದ Cu ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ how many electrons I added?
2 electrons.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 electrons gain.
Yes, sir.
Gaining of electrons. Here, which is gaining electrons? Cu2 plus is gaining electrons. So that's why it is called oxidizing agent. Artha aita? Oxidizing agent is also known as oxidant. Another important thing you have to remember: oxidizing agent is said to be reduced. Reduction ಬೇರೆ, reducing agent ಬೇರೆ. Okay. Oxidizing agent is said to be reducing agent is said to be oxidized. Okay. First you write this reaction. I will say these definitions. One more example I will give. Try to understand. Okay. Please write down. Should not confuse. First write this reaction including oxidation numbers, oxidation reduction. I will say each and everything after this reaction. First write that. Aita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now write down points wise. Increasing in oxidation number. Are you ready now? Write down. Increasing in oxidation number. Increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. Increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. Okay? Write this conversion.
Sir, explain once more the oxidizing agent, sir.
Wait, you please write. I will explain. Increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. This oxidation example. The oxidation is the estimate oxidation state 0. 0 to plus 2 means increasing. Number increasing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oxidation. Increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. E equation. Next. Decreasing in oxidation number. Decreasing in oxidation number. Decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. This plus 2, this 0. Decrease value decrease reduction. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next, oxidizing agent or oxidant. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. Right on. Substance which gains electrons. Substance which gains electrons is called oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. Next line. Oxidizing agent is said to be reduced. Oxidizing agent is said to be reduced. Right, right.
Sir, repeat once more, sir.
Substance which gains electrons is called oxidizing agent. Substance which gains electrons is called oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is said to be reduced. Oxidizing agent is said to be reduced. Okay now, Shah Fahad.
Yes, sir.
Next line. In the above example, Cu plus 2 gains 2 electrons and converted into Cu. Gains 2 electrons and converted into Cu. Hence, Cu2 plus is called oxidizing agent. Now, are you clear? You check once that statements. Can understand easily, I hope.
Sir, last time repeat once, sir.
In the above example, Ada?
Yes, sir.
In the above example, Cu2 plus gains 2 electrons and converted into Cu. Full stop. Hence, Cu2 plus is called oxidizing agent. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Reducing agent or reductant. Reducing agent or reductant. Substance which loses electrons is called reducing agent. Okay, substance which loses electrons is called reducing agent. Next line. Reducing agent is said to be oxidized. Okay, reducing agent is said to be oxidized. Aita? Next, in the above example, zinc andre Zn is converted into Zn2 plus. How Zn is converted into Zn2 plus? By gain of electrons or loss of electrons?
Loss of
By
electrons.
lossing of 2 electrons.
Zn is converted into Zn plus 2 means gain of electrons. Zn is converted into Zn2 plus by loss of 2 electrons. Hence, Zn act as reducing agent.
Friends,
Okay?
so can you repeat that
Yes.
last?
In the above example, Zn is converted into Zn2 plus by loss of 2 electrons. Hence, Zn act as reducing agent. Okay, in the explanation, which is oxidized means reducing agent enido adi kelibekaste. Which is oxidized means what is the reducing agent? Zinc. Zinc is oxidized, you have to say. What is the reduced means? Cu2 plus, you have to say. So that's why I told in notes that 2 points. Please read once that too. Okay?
Sir, explain
One more.
about that reducing agent, sir. I didn't get, sir. The Zn gains electrons or lose electrons, sir?
Zn is converted into what?
Zn2 plus.
Andre ಏನು electrons loss or gain?
Loss, sir.
Loss andre ಏನು? Which loses electrons is called reducing agent.
Okay,
Aita?
sir. Yes, sir.
One more example I will explain. You try to understand. No problem. So that's why I am telling you. No need to confuse. One more example I will say. You have to answer. Take this example. This is I will explain. Next one you try yourself. Here, if any reactions are given, first we have to calculate oxidation number of elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen are reference elements. Andre maximum majority of the compounds contain these two elements. So that's why particularly you no need to calculate oxidation numbers for oxygen and hydrogen. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ no need to find out oxidation number of oxygen. So why? Because you don't know the manganese. To calculate oxidation state of oxygen, we required manganese oxidation state. It is impossible to calculate you. So that's why here manganese you have to calculate oxidation number. Here what is the manganese oxidation state?
7, sir.
4 into, that is I am saying plus 7 or minus 7 are important.
Plus 7.
Okay, na? Is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 7. ಏನಪ್ಪ plus 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ manganese you said plus 7 is the oxidation state. Here I minus means minus 1. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ here manganese oxidation state ಏನು?
+4.
Plus 2
Plus 4, sir.
minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4. ಆಯ್ತಾ? plus 4. ಇದು 0 ನಾ? ಏನಮ್ಮ? Now, manganese link up. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ that we have to link up same type of element species. +7 to +4. Value +7 to +4 increases or decreases. First is a value. What I am asking you, how to say that value is decreases, sir?
Yes, sir.
Decreases.
Decreases, sir.
Decreases.
Decreasing in oxidation number is called reductions. Artha aita? Decreasing
Yes,
in
sir.
oxidation number is called reduction. Is reduction. So this reduction agide andre compulsory as oxidation agutte. But we have to check. -1 to 0.
Increase.
Minus value is converted into plus value. Andre value increases or decreases? Increases.
Increases.
Decreases.
Increases na?
Yes, sir. Increases.
Before I wrote one graph 0, +1, +2, -1, -2. You have doubt, you please apply that graph. Okay? Decrease, increase. So increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. Is it clear? Andre whatever the reaction I given, you can identify what is oxidation or what is reduction. Okay na? Now oxidizing agent or oxidant. Here oxidizing agent or oxidant is this is I will choose. Why? Because initially I have +7 positive charges. 7 positive charges I have. Finally it is converted into 4 positive charges. Andre 7 positive charges converted into 4 positive charges. Andre I added 3 electrons. Gains 3 electrons.
Yes, sir.
Suppose +7 ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, +7 ಗೆ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? +6 ಬರುತ್ತಾ +8 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? What you will get?
+6.
+6.
+6 ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ +5.
+5.
+5 ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್
+4.
+4.
+4 ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್.
+3.
ಓಕೆನಾ? Here +7 to +4 means it gained 3 electrons.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
+7 is converted into +4 means we are added 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron. 1 electron add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ +6, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ +5, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ +4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it gained 3 electrons. Which gains electrons is called what? Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent.
ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ MnO4- is called oxidizing agent. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next, reducing agent. Reducing agent ಇದು -1. Generally when we will write minus, if it has excess electrons we will write minus. ಆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 it loses 1 electron. What happened? It becomes 0. Artha aita? It becomes 0. So that's why andre initially we have 1 extra electron. That electron we are taking outside. So that's why it is converted into 0. Ivaga idide O is converted into O-. Idralli ಎಷ್ಟು electrons appa?
0.
Electrons oxidation number alla.
8.
Electrons 8. Idralli 9 electrons. Okay na? O- is converted into O. Idralli ಎಷ್ಟು electrons?
9.
Idralli ಎಷ್ಟು electrons? 8. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 electrons becomes 8 electrons. ಅಂದ್ರೆ electron remove, we have added electron or removed electron?
Removed.
ಆತರ -1 ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ added electron or remove electron?
Removed electron.
So that's why it loses electron. So that's why it is called reducing agent. Right? It's called reducing agent. Any doubt now?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
One more example I will write. You please try your home. Examples, if you practice, you may get strengthened. the last conclusion. No? You say in this reaction, which is oxidizing and which is reducing agent.
Sir, turn
So,
both to right
Here
side.
is reducing agent, for many is oxidizing agent.
yes, somebody are asking. What, ma?
Turn both to
Reducing
right
agent,
side, sir.
SO
Can't
for
see
minus
the
is
reaction.
oxidizing agent.
These letters are not clear, students.
Sir, it is clear, sir. The board is cutted, sir. Little turn to right.
Okay. First, you wrote this one or not?
Wrote.
What is your name?
Shukti.
Huh?
Shukti.
Shukti Raja. Okay. Why you are not coming?
Sir, I am attending from home. Alone I should come now, so I am attending in home.
Okay. Next time I will write. Now you please adjust. Students, plus 6 are?
Yes, sir. +6, -1, +4, 0.
Plus 6 to plus 4. Oxidation. Hey, loss of electron, decreasing in
Sir.
oxidation. Sorry, reduction.
Reduction, sir.
Decreasing in oxidation number. Reduction number. -1 to 0.
Oxidation.
Oxidation. Increasing in oxidation number. Oxidation. Here, oxidizing agent is SO4 2-. Correct? ಇದು +6 ಇದೆ, +6 is converted into +4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Number of positive charges are decreased. Positive charges are decreased means we are adding electrons. Number of negative charges are decreased means we are removing electrons. The +6 is initially. If you add one electron to +6, what happen?
+5.
+5.
If you add one more electron,
+4.
andre idu it gains 2 electrons.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, -1 to 0. Loss 1 electron. So that's why it is a reducing agent, it is oxidizing agent. That's it. Okay, na? Next side heading, write down types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. Okay, na? So general chemical reactions, you know, na? Students, general chemical reactions, you know what? Combination, decomposition, double decomposition, displacement. These are same reactions we have. In addition to that, one more important thing you have to remember. Okay, so now we will discuss the types of redox reactions. First one is a combination. That is chemical combination. Chemical combination. Write down my definition, one line. In these reactions, two or more elements combined. In these reactions, two or more elements combined to form single compound. Two or more elements combined to form single compound. I repeat, two or more elements combined to form single compound. Okay, you are nodding. C plus O2, CO2. Is it combination? Combination andre ಒಂದೇ product ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಅದು ಒಂದು simple trick to remember combination reactions. Combination reaction means only one product. Zero oxidation state, carbon. O2 ಏನು?
Zero.
Zero.
Carbon here in this compound.
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Oxygen -2. Alva? -2 ತಾನೆ
Yes, sir. Minus
Yes, sir.
2, sir.
oxygen you have to take. Sir, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 oxygens ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ -4 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. For only one element we have to write oxidation number. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇರಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You write one oxygen oxidation number -2. ಇವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 0 to +4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ?
4 electrons.
4 electrons. Oxygen 0 to -2 means how many electrons it is gaining?
2 electrons.
One electron, one oxygen is gaining 2 electrons. But overall ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ oxygens?
2 oxygen.
2 oxygens ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು electrons?
4.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. So ಇದನ್ನು write this reaction. So ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. So combination general A plus B gives AB. General representation. But in examination you should not write this one. Example you have to write. Next, decomposition. You can write any example. H2 plus O2, H2O, H2 plus Cl2, HCl. Okay na? Decomposition. Decomposition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Opposite to combination. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ
compound decomposition.
Okay na? Single compound gives 2 or more products. That is called decomposition. Write down. In decomposition reactions, chemical compound splits into I repeat, in decomposition reactions, chemical compound splits into 2 or more products. Okay, chemical compound splits into 2 or more compounds. Please remember this example. HGO gives Hg plus O2. Nodama. There are 2 oxygens alone. 2. Right here. 2. Here, what is the oxidation state? -2. You don't consider this 2 ma. Coefficient irodalla a number, no need to consider that number while we are calculating oxidation number. Only this subscript numbers we have to consider. Here Hg plus 2 you will get na?
Yes, sir.
Minus.
0 na?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
O2 0.
0.
Plus 2 to 0 means
Reduction.
Reduction.
Number. -2 to 0 means oxidation.
Oxidation.
Okay na? Here which is gaining electrons? This Hg is gaining electrons.
HG, sir.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So initially +2 charge we have. So finally that positive charge is disappears. Means we are added 2 electrons. +2 ಇದೆ 1 electron add ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Hg +1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 more electron add ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
0.
So that's why this is a decomposition reaction. Next, another important objective point you have to remember, that is all decomposition reactions are not redox reactions. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? Very simple. If there is a change oxidation numbers of reactants and products, then only it is called redox reaction. Andre ee kade mercury oxidation state is +2, here mercury oxidation state is 0, here oxygen oxidation state is -2, here oxygen oxidation state is 0. Andre oxidation states of mercury and oxygen either side same or different?
Same, sir.
Different, sir.
Different, sir.
What I am asking, what you are telling? I am asking either side oxidation numbers are same or different?
Different.
Different. It is called redox reaction. If same ide andre it is not redox reaction. Artha aita? So for that I will say one example. Nodi. MgCO3 gives MgO plus CO2. MgCO3 gives MgO plus CO2. Here magnesium is a second group element. Alkaline earth metal na magnesium. Okay na? This is +2 plus carbon I want to calculate. X plus 3 into -2 is equal to 0. X is equal to +4. Yenamma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that we have to do rough work side calculation. Actually, I can write easily every element oxidation number without calculation, but I am showing to you. So this +4, this +2, this -2. Here magnesium oxidation state enamma in MgO
+2.
+2.
Oxygen
-2.
-2.
here carbon oxidation state ಏನು CO2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ already ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು?
4. +4.
Oxygen
-2.
ಇವಾಗ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್?
+2.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
+2.
ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
+4.
+4. +4.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
-2.
-2.
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
-2.
-2.
Is there any change in oxidation numbers left side, right side?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So it is just a decomposition reaction, but not a redox reaction. Redox reaction andre henge irbodu? How it looks like? It looks like this. Means left side, right side oxidation numbers should not be same. Then it is called redox reaction. So ee tara same ide andre adu redox reaction agalla. Okay na? So just it is a decomposition reaction, but not redox reaction. So did you write this example?
Yes, sir.
After that you will write here all decomposition reactions are not redox reactions. Example this one. So decomposition of limestone is also example. Limestone decomposition reaction enamma? CaCO3 gives
CaCO3 plus CaO plus CO2.
ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಬರೀ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So if anyone will ask why it is a decomposition but not redox reaction means what you have to say answer?
No change in oxidation number.
So either side oxidation numbers are same, so that's why it's not a redox reaction. Then redox reaction andre ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? Oxidation number,
Oxidation number and
reactants oxidation number and products oxidation numbers should be different for at least 2 elements condition. Okay. Next, displacement reaction. Displacement. In these elements, the place of one species in these reactions, the place of one species in its compound is taken up by the place of one species in its compound is taken up by other species.
Sir, repeat, sir, from start.
In these reactions, the place of one species in its compound is taken up by other species. Okay na? Displacement reaction. All reactions between acids and metals are displacement reactions. Okay. Here, what is the zinc oxidation state? Balancing. This is to 0. So here hydrogen, if you take +1,
-2, sir.
-1 only, not -2. Don't consider this 2. Next, here zinc +2, chlorine -1. Next, hydrogen idರಲ್ಲಿ 0 na?
0, sir.
ನೋಡಿ, +1 to 0, decreasing in oxidation number, reduction. 0 to +2, increasing in oxidation number. Okay na? ಇದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್, ಇದು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? So for
Yes,
2,
sir.
you don't consider chlorine. Chlorine same, but the remaining 2 elements are different na? So that's why it is a redox reaction. Displacement redox reaction. So how the displacement redox reaction will be? Looks like, say for example, A plus BC is there. So if you replace B with A, then what you will get, ma?
AB.
AC plus B na? It is displaced na?
Yes.
Next, last one, ma? Very, very important for us. Disproportionation. 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 disproportionation reaction. Write down my definition.
What about double displacement?
Double displacement is not there. Double displacement is nothing but neutralization reactions. Neutralization reactions are not redox reactions. Why? Because no change. You can check NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. That is a double displacement only, na?
Yes, sir.
Neutralization reactions are double displacement. Neutralization means reaction between acid and base. So it is not comes under redox reaction. Disproportionation means you should not forget easily. Why? Because this is very important. Now, what is a disproportionation? Disproportionation means, please listen. In a compound, if you take one compound X, Y, Z, it has three elements X, Y, Z. So imagine Y is the central atom. Y is the central atom. This Y undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. That is called a disproportionation reaction. So that's why disproportionation reaction we can define as same element in a compound. Same element in a compound undergoes both oxidation and reduction simultaneously. That is called disproportionation reaction. What is a disproportionation
Can you repeat
reaction?
the definition?
Same element, write down. In these reactions, same element in the given compound, undergoes both oxidation and reduction. In these reactions, the same element in the given compound undergoes both oxidation and reduction simultaneously. Okay. Next point, you please write down. Disproportionation reactions takes place disproportionation reactions takes place in alkaline medium. Takes place in alkaline medium. Write in bracket, alkaline means OH minus. Alkaline medium means OH minus. For this one simple example, I will say. Here, what is the, you don't think about balancing. Balancing is different. Skeleton equation enough to explain the example. What is the bromine oxidation state?
0.
0.
Here,
-1.
plus 1. Minus 1.
Plus 1.
Either this is, say, bromine. Bromine is plus 5.
+5.
Yes, sir. +5.
Plus 5, sir. Plus 5.
Notice, bromine link. 0 to -1. Reduction.
Reduction.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Reduction.
0 to +5.
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
So here bromine undergoes reduction as well as oxidation. So this type of reactions are called disproportionation reaction. It takes place in the presence of what? OH minus.
Alkaline medium, OH minus.
So this is oxidation. This is reduction. Okay? So in the next class we will discuss balancing reactions. Okay? Please read in home at least 1 or 2 times to understand better. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.